How to do: organize a kitchen pantry. Take time to set up your kitchen pantry properly and you'll be able to easily access staples for cooking and meal preparation. Instructions: Step 1. Empty your pantry shelves. Place food items on a nearby counter or in large boxes. Step 2. Wash your shelves with a warm soap and water solution, and let them dry. Step 3. Sort your items according to food group. Step 4. Toss any spoiled or inedible food. Be sure to inspect items thoroughly for bugs. Step 5. Transfer any open bags into airtight containers. Step 6. Restock your pantry shelves, putting frequently used items closest for easy access. Step 7. Admire your pantry. Did you know, pantry derives from the Latin word for bread?